Hey foodies! It's Mihaela from Blondelish.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make keto stuffed portobello mushrooms. I must admit I'm quite obsessed with mushrooms lately, but just take a look at this cheesy goodness. These meaty portobellos stuffed with cheese and spinach hit all the right spots. So let's start cooking! To prepare the portobello mushrooms, trim off the stems if any, and peel the outside layer as it may have some dirt on it. Most recipes require removing the gills, but I like to keep them for a richer flavor. Finely chop the spinach and add it to a mixing bowl. Add in the 3 cheeses, ricotta, Parmesan and mozzarella. Gently crack an egg in then add chopped chives, sea salt and pepper. Mix well to combine. Add the marinara sauce to a large oven dish and make sure it's keto friendly, otherwise you could just use crushed tomatoes instead. Feed the portobello mushrooms into the prepared oven dish. Stuff each mushroom with the cheese filling, then sprinkle with shredded mozzarella. Loosely cover the dish with aluminum foil and bake for 40 minutes or until the mushrooms are tender and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Oh, thank God it's ready and I can have a bite. This is one of those recipes you'll want to make again and again. That was it for today, foodies. Thanks for watching. To get the full recipe plus super useful tips and tricks, just click the link below or go search it on Blondelish.com. Oh, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of my amazing community of foodies. Last but not least, let me know how you like this recipe in the comments below. See you next time!